Hello, my name is Dade Butler. I am the lead customer service agent with Page Optimizer Pro, and today we're going over AI articles. With the AI articles option inside of the top right-hand drop-down menu, we are taken to an AI article log. Here we can search for a specific AI article and choose how many AI articles we want to look at per page. With it, it starts at 5, we go to 10, 25, 50, and then 100 AI articles per page. Inside of our table here, we can see the AI article ID, report ID, date the report was created, the last date this particular report's AI was edited, the keyword for that report, the target URL, the credits used, who created it, and we can view the AI article itself. Now, a use case for this would be, let's say that we lost a particular AI article. So coming all the way over to my 10th page, we can see for 477, this particular article was generated for the keyword AI generated content for the target URL of https://www.google.com. If we ever lost this, we can remember our AI article's ID, search for it here, click view, and instantly start editing. This allows us to cut on navigation time, which increases the speed of our work. As we all know, time is money. With that, you know everything you need to know in order to work with the AI articles dashboard. I hope that this video helped you out and that you enjoy the rest of your day.